Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Swift and Suzuki Swift Dzire. So it's not a Dzire, so it's a normal only Swift. Coming to the engine, this is a, I don't know to open the engine now, very loud here. So coming to the front headlights, so bulbs, this is 2008 model car and no projector setup indicators, DRS, LEDs, etc, etc. And fog lamps, here you can see now it's dust and junk of fog lamps. So position is very nice of fog lamps, and here you can see the bumper treatment on the front, and here you can see the grill, very nice grill and Suzuki badge on the front, and the center badge of the Suzuki, and here you can see the number plate placement. And coming to the other side, here you can see the turning hook position. This is the turning hook position, and this is black variant, and now its paint finishing is not nice on this black, and this is off the market wheels. I like the treatment on this wheels, chrome treatment, dual tone chrome treatment of the wheels, and off the market also it's junk and it's not at all maintained at all. And the tire profile is 185/70 14 inches tires. Again, the 14 inches tires, it's a small size hatchback car, we know, and it's older generation of Swift, and 14 inches tires is massive enough on this vehicle. And here you can see the DDIS badge, and here you can see the indicator side. So this is side view mirror position and design. So very nice and unique design, as we know, as compared to Swift from the first generation till today it is same. And now this in 2020 generation has changed the Swift design, and door handles are nice, no chrome treatment on the door handles. We know of the design of the windows. So this is a rear of the Swift, Suzuki Swift. So VDI, and it's a basic variant of VDI. So Suzuki badge at the center, and Maruti Suzuki badge again here, Suzuki logo here, and Swift. So these are the taillights, and here you can see the taillights, very nice. This design I like, older generation taillights only. So bulbs on, see the bulb size on the indicators and reverse bulb, and taillight bulb is very small, but these two bulbs are very large, complete occupied of taillight. And this is a rear profile of Suzuki Swift VDI, and this is a reflected down, here you can see. So number plate placement is here, and black treatment is very nice. Silencer is here, diesel variant, now it's very junk and rushed. So sorry, I don't want to open the boot. And so coming to the rear, this is a rear door, and there is no bottle holders at all, and speaker on offer, and this is the door holder and power window button, plastic treatment on the opening the doors, and here is the size of a door. So is off the market seat covers, very dusty, and so I don't know what all. This is speakers at the rear, and off the market speakers again. So amplifier also off the market on this car, and speakers off the market. Cotton seats, seat covers, nice cloth treatment seat covers, and it's not a cloth treatment, also it's a what we call as jute, and jute treatment on the seat covers, very nice. And see the knee room, completely pushback now, sorry, completely medium pushback of the front seat, and no magazine holder. Under the support is medium enough. So headroom is large enough, and no center armrest, and adjustable headrest, two adjustable headrest, no center headrest. So here you can see this is the rear. Come now, I'm going to the front, I don't want to sit at the rear. And this is the front door, and here you can see the bottle holders, no bottle holders, magazine holder. So after the bottle it will be fixed. And here you can see the power windows buttons, black treatment now. This is the black treatment holder, and this is a door opening treatment. And so now AC is on, diesel variant. Now engine sound is very loud inside, and here you can see the display of the market. It's, I don't want to operate now that. And this is the interior front, and coming to the here, no center armrest, and here you can see the cup holder and one handbrake, and obviously it will be one handbrake only, and bad joke. And here you can see the gear lever, 5-speed manual transmission, it's a diesel variant. And here you can see the twin cup holder and ashtray and cigarette lighter. Obviously Swift from the first generation it is ashtray and cigarette lighter. So twin cup holders, and some stuff to keep this space like receipts and mobile. So there you can see down dusty, and here you can see the manual adjustable of AC, and these are the 4 AC vents front there. And I like the design on the AC vents, nice. And has a light switch at the front and no auto dimming inside, manual dimming, and mirror, no light at all. Toll receipt, no mirror, no light. And this is the center light at the front. Yeah, it's working. Oh my god. So dashboard design is very nice. Till 2018 or it's a dashboard design is almost same from the first generation. So this is a glare box, massive enough of keeping documentation of shift or the Suzuki shift. And there you can see the speaker placement, very nice. And black treatment interior of this car. VDI model, at the ZDI model you will get the cream treatment on the interior. So this is a steering of the shift. So here you can see the logo of Suzuki, and this lever is for wiper and this lever is for lights and indicators. So key placement is here. Now key is also broken and no traction control at all. This is a high beam and low beam switch, adjustable lever for the headlights. And here you can see the coming to the instrument cluster. So this is the instrument cluster, and RPM meter, speedometer, fuel gauge, engine heat up and cool, and smaller size digital meter for odometer and trip A, trip B. And this is instrument cluster, decent and not so heavy, nothing information in the instrument cluster. And this is the interior, and view is very nice on the shift, and I like the view at the front, very nice. Everything you can see in the Suzuki cars, I like the treatment. There you can see the small speaker of base of the market, and this is for the adjustable of side view mirrors. Yeah, this is side view and very large of side view mirrors, very nice. And this is rear seat off from the front, and I like the seat covers, but now it is very dusty, it should be clean. And this is a walk around video of Shift, Suzuki Shift VDI model. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, बाजू ही है. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.